Hi everyone, and welcome to another lecture of the JavaScript chapter. In this lecture we will learn how to create comments on JavaScript code. Okay, so if you want to create any comment on a line of code in JavaScript, you just need to do 2 forward slashes, okay, or a pair of slashes. So basically you type after the line or after the code line, you just type the slash and then type whatever you want. As you can see, is in green. Everything you type is in green. So basically whatever you type will not run as a code. It will simply stay there as a comment or as a note for other coders or other developers to see. Okay, so let's say you have 1,000 lines of code and you need some notes or comments to see or to remember what each line of code does. So you just type here, it types hello world, hi mom, to the web page. Okay? And you can even put this between double quotes. That's basically it. Okay, so this is when you have to put one line of comment. Let's say you need to put a few lines of comment or a comment that takes more than one line. It's very easy. Just put slash and asterisk and you type as much lines as you wish here. Okay, and to close it you type asterisk and slash again. Okay, so this is how you can do either one line of comment or a few lines of comment. Okay, so it's pretty simple. This is all for now. See you guys in the next lecture. Bye.